We have a new package for your YouTube elements. We make this project in 4 categories. You can see intro, title and lower third, comments and YouTube shorts. For using this package, make your composition first, drag a footage, make your composition. Then, for example, I want to use a lower third composition. Choose one lower third. For example, I choose number 15. It's a 4K composition, so make it a small, or right click on that, go to transform, fit to comp. Now for changing the titles and the colors, go to edit comps, edit text, number 15, select them, open them, streaming, for example 16 p.m. For changing the colors, go to color and setting, number 15, select the color and setting layer, go to effect control and play with the colors. For example, I want to make it orange, make it black, make it white, and make it gray. Let's see, maybe a bit darker. And this one maybe gray. Also that, the same color. Like this. Maybe it should be a bit down. Maybe more. That's okay. It's good. Do another one. Maybe an intro. Let's delete this. Close them. For example, I want to this one, this video. I want to use an intro. I choose number 9 maybe. It's big. Make it small. Right click, transform, fit to comp. You can use it as an overlay, or you can use it at the beginning of your composition. Like this. You can play with time here. Drag the end of the composition to set the duration of the comp. Let's do the settings. It's number 9. Go in edit comps, edit text, number 9, open them, subscribe. That's it. Hope you enjoy that, and thanks for watching.